Hello, and welcome to the Bull and Bear Invest channel. This is our Watchlist review. Today we're taking a quick look into Argo Blockchain, EQTEC, Eurasia Mining, Greatland Gold, Logistics Development Group, Mgc Pharmaceuticals, and Rambler Metals and Mining. Firstly, Argo Blockchain. Argo Blockchain qualified and upgraded from OTCQB to OTCQX in the USA on the 24th of February 2021. Argo Blockchain have also signed a commercial agreement with Epic Blockchain Technologies on the 22nd of February 2021, providing priority access to state-of-the-art ASIC mining rigs. An initial purchase of $8 million was made, with delivery of the machines expected to begin early Q4 of 2021, with the larger scale of the mining rigs delivered during 2022. Argo Blockchain also confirms this morning that the 4,500 Bitmain Antminer S19 and S19 Pro miners leased from Celsius Network in November 2020 have successfully been installed and are now fully operational, adding an additional 430 petahash to the company's computing power. Argo Blockchain have a busy year ahead, starting with the delivery of the Epic Blockchain Technologies ASIC mining rigs expected to begin in early Q4 2021, with delivery rates accelerating in 2022. Argo's general meeting of the company will be held at 10 AM on the 5th of March 2021, and Argo have recently signed a non-binding letter of intent to acquire 320 acres of land in West Texas, USA, with access of up to 800 megawatts of electrical power, where Argo intends to build a new 200 megawatt mining facility in the next 12 months. EQTEC plc confirmed that Haverton WTV Limited and Scott Bros Enterprises Limited have signed a conditional land purchase agreement. This is relating to the land of which the proposed Billingham waste gasification and power plant at Haverton Hill, Billingham will be constructed. EQTEC are currently assembling the optimal construction resources and the delivery model for this project. In order to complete the land purchase agreement, the balance must be paid by the 25th of February 2022. We are still waiting for the Almuros project to be formalised contractually, along with the D-side RDF project, with commercial offers to be reviewed and negotiated into contract. The scheduled court case in the USA on the 25th of February 2021, following a claim of patent infringement, has been rescheduled for the 29th of March 2021. EQTEC have filed for a cease and desist order as the complaint fails to state the claim in multiple respects. Moving on to Eurasia Mining plc, on the 21st of January 2021, the Russian State Committee approved the West Greatland Definitive Feasibility Study. It's also worth mentioning that North Nickel did not make any reference to Eurasia during their end-of-year results seminar, which was not ruled out as a possibility in a previous Bull and Bear Invest research video. Eurasia Mining's share price has increased over 20% within the last week alone. We believe that this is due to the activity on Twitter, where Eurasia Mining has uploaded several photos of the West Greatland mine, showing the stripping program that occurred during the winter. Additional satellite photos suggest stockpiling of resources is also occurring following the definitive feasibility study approval. What to expect from Eurasia Mining in the next few months? Well, we are anticipating official updates regarding the works completed over the winter months, especially those involved in the increased production levels at West Greatland, as the DFS allows for production at several open pits and all year round stripping, earth moving and ore stockpiling. This is a key factor in Eurasia's development, and it's unlikely they will let it go without an official statement. Eurasia is also considering further alternative metallurgical processes which may be applicable to the tailings project at Siemianowski. We're also eagerly awaiting developments regarding the formal sale process, which commenced on the 1st of July 2020. It's been a busy week for Greatland Gold, with several updates regarding the Jury joint venture project. Ground electromagnetic surveys are to be conducted over several newly identified targets that were highlighted following the results of the aerial electromagnetic data to better locate and prioritise targets. The camps and infrastructure construction is scheduled to commence in the next few weeks. and new license applications to expand footprint in the Patterson region. The Canning Exploration License application comprises of an area of 114 km square and is located approximately 175 km southeast of Havieron. The new license application contains the bulk of a large magnetic anomaly similar to the magnetic bullseye located over the Havieron deposit. However, no previous drill testing of this anomaly has been reported in historical records. Greatland Gold will continue to be busy for some period of time more, as we are waiting for confirmation of the completion of the early works at Havieron project. We're also expecting the pre-feasibility study for Havieron to be expected late 2021. Works are also ongoing to finalise the water management plan for the programme, as well as progress further with approvals and permits. The first round of drilling high priority targets across the Patterson Range East and Black Hills licence is expected to commence in early April. Additionally, Newcrest Mining are advertising for a senior surveyor and a surveyor, with the application closing window at the 4th of March 2021. Greatland Gold will be the manager of the Jury joint venture until the end of the calendar year 2021, when Newcrest has the right, but not the obligation, to be appointed manager at the end of the initial period. It's been relatively quiet on the front of the Logistics Development Group. However, we feel it's worth mentioning that this did change its name from the Eddie Stobart's Logistics plc to Logistics Delivery Group on the 10th of February 2021. Since then, 41 new jobs have been advertised on the Eddie Stobart website, with the closing dates up to mid-March. The Unites Union had threatened to start 3 days worth of strike action from the 17th of February in an ongoing row over pay for drivers from the Birchwood site. The strike action has since been suspended as talks are ongoing in regards to the drivers' pay. We know that Logistics Delivery Group intend on announcing its results for the year ending 30th of November 2020 before the end of March 2021. Following this, the annual general meeting will be on or about the 25th of May 2021. We are also expecting to hear updates regarding major contracts, as some key contracts such as Tesco are understood to expire during Q1 and Q2 of this year. And now for a brief insight into Mgc Pharmaceuticals Limited. An agreement has been signed with Canvalate to complete the clinical research studies on Canapil for a cost of $1 million. A minimum 3-year exclusive worldwide supply and distribution agreement for the distribution of Artemic Rescue as a food supplement has been established. A second lease has been signed with Malta Enterprise, and the construction. Coming up for Mgc Pharmaceuticals Limited, we have the construction of the production facility in Malta, which is due to be completed mid-2021, with the smaller facility being completed in September. With successful results of the Phase 2 clinical trials on Artemic, a Phase 3 trial is planned to commence in Q3 of this year. This trial is anticipated to be a multi-centre study with up to 250 patients and expand its research to include a wide range of inflammatory indications for the use of Artemic as a treatment. We also know that the general meeting will be held on the 31st of March of this year. Rambler Metals and Mining. Rambler have confirmed the appointment of 2 independent non-executive directors with immediate effect within recent weeks. Rambler Metals and Mining. In recent developments, Mr. Richard Round has been appointed the chair of the Audit Committee, whilst Ms. Priya Patil has been appointed a member of the Audit Committee. Both Richard and Priya have been appointed members of the Compensation, Corporate Governance and Nomination Committee. Upcoming events include the proposed sale of the Nugget Pond Gold Plant, which is expected to close during the first quarter of 2021. The sale of which will generate $2 million and 0.5 million Canadian dollars. We're also waiting for completion of the pumping and rehabilitation, which is expected to occur by the end of February 2021, with further access being achieved to develop the resources present in these areas. Infill drilling results are also expected from the Ming mine that was scheduled to commence in January 2021. In completion of the purchase of the 2,200 tonnes a day Duck Pond plant and planning for its dismantling and relocation to the Ming site is beginning in Q3 of this year. The increasing underground mining production from 700 tonnes per day to 2,000 tonnes per day is expected by 2022, and the pre-concentration upgrade to store ore and improve the feed grade from 2022 onwards. Subscribe to the Bull and Bear Invest channel today and stay informed with weekly watchlist reviews, in-depth research and understanding the stock market videos, with more content being uploaded each week.